Have you ever caught a glimpse of yourself in a shop window and been surprised by how slouched you look? Or maybe you felt that familiar ache in your neck or back after a long day at the computer. These are telltale signs of bad posture, a silent strain that affects millions. We spend hours hunched over phones and computers, our bodies slowly adapting to these unnatural positions. Over time, these seemingly harmless habits can lead to serious health problems. But here's the good news. Good posture is achievable for everyone, and the benefits are life-changing. It's about more than just standing up straight. It's about aligning your body to move and function at its best. Let's embark on this journey to better posture and a healthier you together. Good posture is about more than just appearances. It's about keeping your body in alignment so it can function optimally. When you have good posture, your head is held high, your shoulders are relaxed, and your spine is naturally curved. Imagine a plumb line running down your body. Your ears should be aligned with your shoulders, your hips in line with your knees, and your knees over your ankles. Bad posture throws this alignment out of whack, putting unnecessary stress on your muscles and joints. Our modern lifestyles often work against good posture. We spend hours sitting at desks, hunched over laptops, or staring down at our phones. This constant tech neck posture puts excessive strain on our neck, shoulders, and upper back. The key is to be mindful of our habits and make conscious efforts to counteract these postural stresses.
Bad posture can wreak havoc on your body in surprising ways. It can lead to back pain. This is the most common and obvious consequence. Neck pain and headaches. Tech neck is a real problem, causing pain in your neck, shoulders, and even headaches. Reduced lung capacity. Slouching compresses your chest cavity, restricting your lungs' ability to expand fully. Digestive issues. Believe it or not, bad posture can even affect your digestion. Slouching compresses your internal organs, potentially leading to heartburn, indigestion, and constipation.
Simple exercises for a stronger you. Improve your posture with simple exercises. Sit or stand tall. Gently tuck your chin towards your chest. Hold for 5 seconds, then relax. Repeat 10 times. Sit or stand tall. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. Hold for 5 seconds, then relax. Repeat 10 times.
Section 6. Posture helpers. Can belts and braces really fix it? Posture correction products like belts, braces, and shirts are becoming increasingly popular. While they can provide a temporary reminder to stand up straight, it's important to remember they're not a quick fix. These products work best when used in conjunction with exercises and lifestyle changes.
Section 7. Workstation Wellness. Setting yourself up for success. Our workspaces often contribute to bad posture. Here's how to set up an ergonomic workstation. Position your computer monitor so the top of the screen is at eye level. Keep your elbows bent at a 90-degree angle and your wrists straight. Choose a chair with good lumbar support to prevent slouching. Get up and move around every 30 minutes to avoid stiffness.
Section 8. Sleep your way to better posture. Tips for a spine-friendly night. Believe it or not, the way you sleep can impact your posture. Aim for a sleeping position that keeps your spine aligned. Place a pillow under your knees to maintain the natural curve of your spine. Use a pillow that's high enough to keep your head and neck aligned with your spine. Section 9. Embrace the power of posture confidence from within. Good posture isn't just about physical health. It can boost your confidence and mood too. When you stand tall, you feel more assertive, confident, and self-assured. It can even improve your breathing and digestion, leaving you feeling more energized throughout the day. Section 10. Take charge of your posture journey. Small steps, big rewards. Improving your posture is a journey, not a destination. Start by incorporating small changes into your daily routine. Be mindful of your posture throughout the day, practice simple exercises, and set up an ergonomic workspace. Over time, these small steps will add up to big rewards, a healthier, happier, and more confident you. For more tips on improving your posture and information on posture correction products, visit website address.